Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. No matter how the adventure unfolds, you're ready for it with the versatility of this Avalanche. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the Avalanche, Edmunds.com observes versatile mid-gate base body configuration, comfortable ride and seating, smooth V8 engines. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
At Miller Starnes Chevrolet Buick, we are committed to your complete satisfaction. Call today or stop on by. We're easy to find at 476 West Cameron Avenue in downtown Rockdale, Texas.